Hello everyone, welcome back to Merkman Tips. Today we've got a 2012 C220 CDi, and this engine is a 651 engine. Now this engine's got a coolant leak and it is leaking from the water pump. Now you can see it's made an absolute mess due to the leak going onto the belt, and then the belt splashing it around everywhere at the front of the engine. And also, look what it's done to the belt. I'm going to be changing the belt today as well. So let's just have a listen to the bearing of the water pump. Not sure if you can hear that, but also it's got quite a lot of play on the bearing. So I'm going to take it off now and get a closer look and show you guys. So we have the old water pump off and we can hear the bearing a bit better like this. And also we can see the play better like this as well. And it usually leaks just underneath the pulley. So let's compare it with a new one, brand new from Mercedes, very smooth. So let's put it on the car now. So the new water pump is in, as you can see, nice and shiny, and the new belt is on and the job is done. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Merkman Tips.